Let's say you're running Google Ads and you've been profitable, but you can't scale. Here's why. There's 3 common reasons why businesses hit a ceiling, and I'll show you actually how to fix them. So the number one reason is restrictive bidding. So if you're using TCPA or tROAS, Google locks you into a finite audience. It basically only targets users that it predicts that will convert. So the reason why you can't scale is because you've locked yourself into that audience and literally restricted yourself from getting any more users. You need to start to feed the algorithm with more users. So you can do this by using the feeder strategy. This is where you take 2 campaigns, run them alongside one another, and you can use a max clicks campaign or a max conversions campaign that basically feeds the other TCPA or tROAS campaign. Now, for the whole setup and how this works, check out the link in the description. The second thing is trusting Google Ads data alone. Now, there's been a major problem. Google Ads doesn't actually give you the full picture of your revenue or profit. This is because of ad blockers, cookie deprecation, data loss, and consent mode. All of these things skew the data. Even if you use offline conversion imports or server-side tracking, it still doesn't give you the full picture. So what can you do? I've got 2 solutions here for you. 1, compare Google Ads trends and conversions with your actual sales and CRM data, whether it's Shopify, HubSpot, whatever it may be. You might actually be getting a cost per conversion inside of Google Ads of $75. But when you actually divide your total media spend by your conversions, then you'll actually see that it's $29. So figure out if Google is the only source of traffic. If it is, then you know that Google is underreporting. So don't let Google Ads data limit your scale. Now, if you're running other traffic, it gets very complex. So you'll need to measure your total ad spend by your conversions. Then reduce ad spend and increase spend in a specific channel and see what that does to your cost per conversion on the back end. Now, don't panic because it will go up immediately after you increase spend, and that's normal. So you're going to want to make sure you check your conversion lag. And I'll get to that in the third reason. Solution 2 to this is make sure you complete a P&L at least monthly, a profit and loss statement. This should be your North Star. I can't begin to tell you the amount of business owners that are looking at Google Ads or Meta Ads to figure out if they're profitable, and that is a massive mistake. So you need to go further and figure out your cost per conversion and profit per product and really kind of get a profit and loss statement pretty much weekly or monthly. This will then help you identify what you need to push and when you need to become more efficient on. The third reason is if you increase budget, but nothing changes. More budget, same amount of clicks, same amount of conversions, and rising CPCs. The first thing that you can do is just check your conversion lag. If you've gone through 3 conversion cycles and you only see higher CPCs, make sure that you just check the conversion lag. The conversion lag is the time that it takes for a user to convert. So you can check this by going inside of Google Ads dashboard, go to your goals, click attribution, and click path metrics under path analysis, and change measure from to first interaction. Then you'll be able to see here that in this case, it takes an average of 14.6 days to conversion. So make sure that you plan accordingly. Now, the second reason is rising CPCs, and you're getting the same amount of conversions. I have a solution for you right here in this video. Want to scale profitably? Reach out, and I'd love to either consult or help you manage your Google Ads campaigns so that you can get more profit. See you next week.